Hey guys!
So today we're going to be doing the eyeshadow! No, the makeup tutorial video! And today we're going to be using the GH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette.
So
she has the same thing. Oh yeah, you don't want your fluffy one to get away. And also we're going to be using this kind of lipstick. It's this kind of lipstick.
But I'm using this one.
This is the kind of lipstick I'm using.
I'm using
and I'm using this highlight.
I'm using this blush.
Gold. It's not blush, it's highlight.
Highlight.
Okay. And what else are you using? This thingy. Well, you can't use that one. And the kind of brushes you have to use for this one is either let me see,
this one.
Yeah, wait, what? This is for if you're using like a light one. Oh, and before we start, let's show them the colors. Just show them. Oh, my finger. Oh, finger. Get out of there. And this is the color. Ready, right? Okay. So the colors I'm going to be using is...
I'm using...
You can like mix them together, so I'll let you see. So yeah.
I have the same thing. Why
Yeah,
do I...
I'm not sure. I'm going to put it here, put it here. Okay, so the brushes we're using the brushes you use are either these two
or this one. I'm going to use that.
Or which one? No, that's for sugar. So like if this is glitter, see how that like you either can use it for these kinds, okay? You only can use it for those kinds. But these are the two colors you're going to be using. And if you want to do like she has, if you want to do shimmer, you have to use like kind of like flat brushes. You're gonna use like flat brushes. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this brush
today.
So
let's get started.
Okay. So you were saying?
Yeah.
What were you saying?
I was saying yes, get started.
No, you were saying in today.
And today we were going to do the outside video, right, Brooke?
We were, but we didn't want to do that because then it'll be too much. So yeah.
Yep.
Wait, what? No. I got some dust in my eye. Look at how pretty that is. Okay.
So today I'm going to use the stuff.
Today I'm going to be using this stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to mix a color. Now I'm going to put some of this inside. Ooh, it's nice. You know you can mix them up. Look, it's this. I like this one.
Okay. Maybe a finger fill the eye.
Yeah, that's the big thing we do. If we get some dust in the eye, we blow in each other's eye. Yeah, go hide. And let's add some dust color. What? You did that, not me. You're the one that did that, not me. So don't blame it on me. Look how pretty that is! You know what it matches? Doesn't it match the unicorn? Like, look, look, it matches unicorn.
So you guys want to use these dark ones?
No, faded ones. Okay.
I'm going to start.
Wait. Oh, wait.
These.
Oh, you can start with those. So, guys, this is what she's starting with.
But do I use this or something else?
I don't know. No, don't use that. That's for. I think so. So, wait, guys, we'll be right back. So we gotta go get something, okay? So we are back. We're back. We just need it to get this little buddy right here. This little buddy. They're like fan, and this is what we're gonna be using the highlight. Yeah, okay. So, are you done? No. You gotta finish up first before you get the highlight. Oh man, this is hard to open. Just gotta tell you. I'm the one that always has trouble opening. Right?
Yeah. She's the one who got us.
Oh my god. You're weird too.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. This one's difficult.
This one's strong. You lost.
Oh, I got it. Oh, what's our socks? Powder just flew out. Okay. Oh my god. Just let you know, this is not our bathroom. We're just using our mom's. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, very softly. Oh my god, I'm doing this right here. Say something, get it up on you.
Hey, you say something that is getting up on you.
No, I'm not.
She is, guys. Blame her. Oh, listen to the crybaby.
Hey, you're a crybaby. You're dramatic.
I fake.
Well, no, you don't. Well, sometimes.
Where did you do that?
I did it in the sink.
Do you see something, Brooke? Brooke, do you see something?
Look in your mirror.
This is
Guys,
my
this is
mirror.
how far she got. Look out. This is how far she got.
Hey, you lost too.
Oh my god. Just kidding. We'll be right back. Okay, again, because, I gotta eat something. Again, bugging you. We're back.
We'll be back, guys.
No, we won't. We just came back like twice.
We'll be back, guys.
No, we
Bye.
won't. Eating on to the next did you do your thing? Did you do it?
Yeah, I know.
You gotta do it. Okay, you're done with that one, okay? Are you done? Okay, you done? Ready to do the highlight?
Yeah.
So get your fan brush. Whoa, you got a nice color.
Thank you.
So this is the color she's gonna be using. That is pretty, right, guys? No, actually being honest. Now, do it. But hold on. Let me show them what it looks like. Look at that. That's how it looks. She's gonna be shining like a diamond. I shine like a diamond. Ding, boop, boop. Okay, say so. Okay, gotta see what you're doing. Gotta show them what you're doing. So, what kind of face do you want to make to put on? You have to make a face. You have to make a what face? A fish face. A fishy face. Do you want to tell them what happened? You want to tell them what happened?
So I was sitting down on the floor because I thought what was on me here. And then she said she's being weird.
Yeah, I was calling myself weird, and she thought I was, so she sat on the floor. And yeah, I'll be right back, okay? You talk to her, okay? I'll be right back. No.
Oh. You said I'm grounded.
Who said you're grounded?
The YouTube video.
Guys, you told her she was grounded? Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Oh, yo, yo. I said, oh, yo. Oh, I have a cookie.
I look fun. I look fun. Look at what? I'm fun. Look what?
You get out of here. Okay, ready for the lipstick? Yeah. What's wrong with you? I got red. And this is the kind of red I need. No. Get your lipstick. God, okay, let's see. Let's put the lipstick on and let's see who's the best, okay? So we're going to put these in front of the faces and then we'll come back and then see who has the best lipstick. Gotta put it down right here. I'm going to put mine right here to block my face. And yeah, yours right there. And then we'll move it out to see who has the best kind of makeup, okay?
Cookie. Like your knee butt.
Oh, pretty. Oh, you're actually doing good. Let me see again. Good job.
What? What are you looking? Look. Look at me. Look at
God, you better not be seeing that. My mistake. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait.
Here's me. And then here's...
Who do you think is
So guys, who do you think has best lipstick, best eyeshadow, best shiner? I'm an editor. And let us know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.